Hello there, Tristan Bailey here, host of the Cliff Notes podcast. In episode 36, I was joined by Dennis Cocco of 10 in 6, where they've got a unique value proposition, I believe, of they offer to get you a 10% improvement in your processes within 6 months, which is a pretty good return on investment for their software. So they work with their specialist software and their little tracking machinery for tracking without being invasive in your process controls on your CNC machines, on your production lines, all around OEE, and it all soups up into their cloud and comes back in your Excel documents. Keeps it really free and easy for you to work with. And so it was a really interesting conversation with him of how they can work with small details and small refinements to improve your quality of output. So come check out the Cliff Notes podcast and you can get the full interview. Look forward to seeing you there. Bye.